What is going on, Twitchers? Welcome to a Friday stream. Pretzel has been so fortunate to give us back the drum and bass category. Welcome in Yost, Dr. Padawan, Steffi, Dave Charles, Forex, and Jay Walter, and anybody else deciding to chill or lurk or AFK or however you decide to consume this content. Or maybe you're even watching it on YouTube 5 days later, 50 days later, 500 days later. I don't care. Because I'm doing this mostly for me, but also for you if you want it. If you don't want it, you don't have to be here. Get out of here. Consuming while hell diving. That's right. You can consume this content, whatever works for you. Okay, bye, Dave. Take care. Get out of my chat. It's great to have you all here. Have a fun little excursion today planned. We have a fun little excursion planned into gigabytes of data. Actually, no. Terabytes. Huge! Huge. The biggest data you've ever seen. Big data. Actual big data. But before we get too deep into things, I would like to do something funny. And I need your support. Petabytes? No. Megabytes. Hi, Rez. Res1 Coder, good to have you back. How many floppies? I'll tell you. Okay, here's the answer for you. It would be 1.3 million floppy disks, probably. Eight and a half thousand kilos. I didn't have the data for it, actually.
Garbage.
I had to look it up. Why are you being so mean, chat? I don't always have all the data. Some of it. Did you just try and put brown rice in my chat, Dr. Padawan? Is that what you're doing? What is this? What is this? Brown rice? What are you doing? What are you doing? Who even uses floppy disks anymore? Exactly, J. Walterbot. Get with the times. Get with the times, chat. Anyway, chat, I need your help. I need your help with something. We are going to do something very funny. We're going to do something very funny. You know how we've been talking about ads? Well, I wanted more ads, and I realized there was a very good source of ads readily available. Wait, my printer is not broken, Yost. Why would I fix it if it's not broken? But anyway, there's a very good source of ads available, and I think I found a good way to do it. We might be melting a hard drive. Who knows? Who knows? All I know is that we're going to start with the meme of the day, because that is what we do on this channel. And there's no time to waste. The time is now. I would assume. Like the time... Why did I do that? The time is now, chat. It is actually now, right now. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that wild? I want to have chat up here again. There we go. I want to have you up there, chat. I want you right there in front of me so I can read you. That's the point. What about installing Flux and letting it generate its own ads? What is Flux? I've never heard of that. Why have I never heard of Flux? I only know Flux from the Light app thing. You can't read me. I beg to differ, Steffi. Anyway, chat, let's get started. Today's meme of the day. Oh, is there no background from Pexels? Is there no Pexels background? Huh. That's interesting. Hold up. BG Pexels. Oh yeah, it's down. What's going on there? There we go. It was down. Now it's not. It's a new image generator. You can have it locally, and it's pretty good. Flux. Can it generate video? Can it generate video? Like full-on video? That would be kind of interesting. Local stuff is good. Aha, it can't do... If it can't do video, you mean generate like a series of images and then narrate them or something with AI. Well, it's funny you say that. Anyway, today's meme of the day, courtesy of, I don't know what movie this is from. Does anybody know what movie this is from? I actually don't know. But I did this. Ah, it's from Interstellar. That's right. I remember that now. Thanks for the reminder. I did this today. I was writing a whole load of SQL queries today. And I added an extra self-join by mistake. And I had to stop the query from running. That's basically how much it was consuming. Yeah, it wasn't doing well. After like 13 seconds, I realized that there was something wrong. So it may not cost us 51 years, but it might have cost me like 51 cents or something to execute that query. Nice background. A good data guy starts a transaction before doing a query. There's no such thing. When you're using BigQuery, it starts whatever you want. No, I do not call myself a data scientist. I have never ever called myself a data scientist, so I don't know why you would say that, because I've never referred to myself as a data scientist. It's not something I would say. It's not a term I would use to describe myself, because I don't think that I am fundamentally a scientist. Yeah, I don't think that I'm a scientist. Because, well, yeah, I don't think I'm a scientist. I don't have, like, a background in science. Until you create a recursive nesting of functions on the cloud without...
Have a banana. They're delicious.
Oh, sorry about the ad. Until you create a recursive nesting of functions on the cloud without limits, it doesn't even count. Manny's afraid of peer review. Am I though? I don't know. Am I afraid of peer review? There are no peers to review my work right now. That's the other problem. Do the ads trigger randomly, or do you have a button? Hi, Rugman. Sorry, by the way, that I have not sent your package out yet. I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. So I'm afraid of not being found funny. That's worse, Yoast. That's worse. The ads are not triggered randomly, nor are they triggered by a button. One of those statements is true, one of those statements is false. Yeah. I may be lying, I may be telling the truth. That's all I will say about that. Also, Twitch updated their styles. They no longer have this ring outside the... They no longer have the ring outside the PFP, so I had to remove that from Figma to keep up to date with Twitch. So yeah. Yeah, anyway. No, actually, I think it's actually nicer. It's kind of cleaner this way. I think it's cleaner. Looks a bit nicer. So that's meme of the day. Because it's what I did. But I have something to show you, chat. I have a new ad idea. And I want to show it to you. And I forgot to download this. And you have to tell me what you think. We don't have an ad of Finite. And I thought it would be cool to have an ad of Finite. And Finite actually has the perfect ad situation. Is this a banana? It is a banana. Finite has the perfect situation because there are lots of people always making cool videos and stuff about Finite. So check this out, chat. Look at this. We have a video that is it's actually silent. I don't know if you've seen this. So Finite looks a lot like the Turkey Olympic guy. Anyway, someone made a video of editing Finite into this like moving video thing with a hamburger. Now, what I've decided to do is I had 11 Labs create a little script to read out. And what I would like to do is add the script to the video. Add the audio to the video. And I'm going to do that with DaVinci. I have DaVinci here somewhere. Do I have it open? Yes, I do. So that is what we're going to do quickly because I think that's worth it. Very much so. So I'm going to take these things here and put them in the media pool. Change the frame rate of the project. Put this in here. Come on. Edit timeline. Oh, we need to add stuff to the timeline too. We need to add the audio to there. Okay, and then we can delete this channel track. I don't know what the volume is like on this. So I'm putting word into Finite's mouth. Yes, exactly.
Pew pew.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
It kind of works. That's like first try.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
Okay, there needs to be Are you also hearing this only in the left ear, by the way, chat? I just want to know if that's the case.
Ketchup. Check it out. Beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out. Pew pew. Now I am going to...
There needs to be a pause here as well. How can I... Oh, it's also in left. Okay. I need to work on the balancing because it's a bit strange. Why is this only left channel? Change track type to stereo. That's so weird, isn't it? Pan is 0. I don't understand. Why is it on... I don't know where that's coming from, chat. Where is that coming from? Maybe I need to add this raw. Hold on. Maybe I need to add this again. Because this is definitely...
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you...
So this is on both sides for sure. Just gonna add it as a new audio track. Delete track.
Pew pew. Now.
Okay, fixed. Cool. Okay, so we take this bit, put it there.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
That actually kind of works from the timing. Okay. So I think we can export this. Export. The whole thing. Yes. DMCA. For who? For who? You have to tell Finite that we made an ad about him. someone has to tell Finite that we made an ad. Finite singularity burger. Location. Downloads. Now just put it straight into my where is it? Assets. OBS. Video. Ads. Okay. MP4, H.264, 1080, blah blah blah. Add to render queue. Render. This won't take very long to render at all, even while streaming. Sorry, Yoast, for making you want a burger. Okay, let's check the ad.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
It works so well. It works so well. I love it. I chose a voice that I thought would be Finite-like. But in theory, we could also take a different voice. In theory. I don't think there weren't any others. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's good enough. Okay. So this is how the ads work. Nice try, Dr. Padawan. So, now that there's a full ad, get rid of those. Now that the ad is in there, go into OBS, activate this. I gotta go to my sources. I gotta add a new one. Oh, I forgot about, oh yes, audio tracks. I did forget about one thing. I need to make sure that the ads don't play. Okay. Let's add an ad. What's it called? Media source? Media source. Finite singularity, burger. I'm hoping that Finite doesn't make another burger ad. That would be very awkward. That would be very unfortunate. I'd have to call it something else then. Video ads. Okay.
Pew pew.
Oh.
Now I am.
Okay. Then we got to take that down to here. And then we copy this. Sorry, you can't see this, but I'm copying a transformation so that when it plays, it plays in the player. What are you saying what it was for? What? What do you mean, Cypher? Good to see you, Cypher, by the way. You haven't seen it yet. You haven't seen it yet. How long is the ad? How long is the ad? What is this? This is like 1 minute. 1 minute 10. 1 minute 10 seconds? Oh, yeah. That's what the t-shirt was for. But Finite didn't do the video. Someone AI generated the video. That's why it's so funny. Okay, so it's 10 seconds long. We're not going to save this. It's fine.
Pew pew.
This is 10 seconds long. Yeah, it's so funny. So I took it. I took this now. And now I just need to add the atom. I need to add, so I need to copy this one, for example. And then I need to go here, rename this. Wow, this is laggy. There we go. Finite singularity burger. Nice background database there. And then I go here and I say, okay, it's gonna be a 10-second ad. It's a pretty short one. We could have some longer ones. Ad start, and we're gonna do. What's happening here? Save that. Ugh. This is weird. I haven't had this while streaming before. How you doing, Cypher? Change source visibility. Weird. Why is that not refreshing? Uptight and breathing. Oh, sorry, upright. Upright. Editing your setup while live is always a good idea. Of course.
We'll do it live. Okay.
Garbage.
We'll do it live.
What scene is this?
Do it live.
C.
I'll write it and we'll
Put
do
you
it
on.
live.
Source. Finite. Burger. Visible. And then this is going to be action delay 10. Okay. And then I just have to add that to the end where I hide them. Making sure they're all hidden. We're going to do burger, hidden, done. So this should actually work now. If we actually do it, we can test it.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
It's actually great. I just need to edit the audio sources. I just need...
Garbage.
I'm sure Finite's gonna like it. We could do a clippable moment. Give me a second. Where's Finite? Finite singularity. Finite! Let's do like this. Let's do like this. Finite! I saw that you were really into your whole role as an Olympian, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to advertise your role as an Olympian. And so actually I had someone do a little narration on a video that you made of you showing off as an Olympian that you were celebrating by eating a hamburger. So yeah, I wanted to show that to you briefly. Here it is.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
I hope you like it. So if someone wants to clip that and send it to Finite, you should do that. You should definitely do that. Anyway, chat, why are we actually here today? Well, it's Friday. So as you know, we can do whatever we want. I mean, we could do that on Mondays too, in theory. In theory. But I'd like to do something a bit speedrunny, kind of. Basically, I want to figure out if your hard drive is going to fail, chat. Now, of course, the big question is, does any of you still use actual hard drives? Or are you all already on SSD? Because I don't know if the dataset has SSDs in it, to be honest with you. I really don't know. I really have no idea. File server in lab? Okay. Finite's ad. Hey, let's watch it. I want to see it. How did it turn out? Did it turn out good? Work now. If we actually do it, we can test it.
Pew pew. Now I am going to tell you about this hamburger. It has 5 ingredients. There is beef, cheddar cheese, pickles, lettuce, and ketchup. Check it out.
I think Finite will like it. I think he'll like it. I think he'll want to make other ads. Probably. But what we're doing today, chat, is very simple. There is a incredible... Hello. There's an incredible free data source for a lot of hard drive statistics. Namely, from Backblaze. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I do have to mention that the data does come from Backblaze. That's part of their terms. So we have a lot of hard drive statistics that we can get. Now, I don't know if hard drive... I don't know. I actually don't know if they also have... Do they also have SSDs? I don't know. We'll probably find this out. The idea is to kind of speed run this a little bit, where we get all the data, and they have a lot of it. They really have a lot of it. These are all quarterly, but I think we can actually download raw data, which we could look at. Let's look at 1 gig. Let's look at that. Live a little, don't follow the terms. I don't really want to argue with Backblaze, if I'm being perfectly honest. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that. We're going to import the data into Count Canvas, because that's the easiest way. And oh, I have an update for y'all on the Pacific Data Viz challenge. I didn't win. That's the update. This canvas that I made for the challenge, I didn't win. So this was all a waste of time. I'm just kidding. I didn't win, but anyway, it's fine. I mean, it was still a fun thing to do. But yeah, I didn't win. Just in case you were expecting me to like say something about it. So, yeah. Garbage, I guess. Okay, we downloaded it. Let's make a new canvas. This one's going to be public. Backblaze hard drive stats. Let's see what we can get out of this. First, I'm going to make this a little bit darker. I actually like... What color is this? What color are they using? Oh, there I go stealing colors again. Lovely. Okay. And then I need their red as well, actually, to be honest. Let's pack their red into a thing. Do they have any other colors? Oh yeah, they have a blue. This blue. Investor relations. Do they only have 2 colors? Seems a bit weird, no? You may not have won, but at least your neighbor is not mowing their football field-sized lawn at 8:40. Is someone really mowing their lawn at 8:40? That's insane. Why would... That's wild. But it is a bit warm in here. I will say that. Q2 2024 results presentation. Oh, here's another color. We can take that one too. I'm just building a little palette first because I'm going to need it anyway. And so I don't know what the data looks like yet because I haven't looked at it. Which is maybe a big mistake. Maybe. I won your hearts with a data set about gender inequality? Okay, I'm shocked. Where was that light blue? Ooh, they have charts too. They have charts. Nice. Let's take this color. This is a nice color set, for sure. Where was that very light blue? I know there was a light blue somewhere. It was only on their website, it seems. Yeah, this color here. This color right here. Ah! No? Okay, I'm gonna have to do it a different way. RGB 5248 255. Is that right? No, that's the wrong one. There we go. Okay, we have the colors, chat. We have the colors we want. The thing is, let's look at the data. Q2 2024. This is the raw data of the hard drives. So this is pretty substantial. I actually think I can only import 100 megabyte thingies at a time. I'm wondering how big this is. Oh my word. These are all separate CSVs that are over 100 megs. Crap. I'm not going to be able to import these. Yeah. CSV merge and then BigQuery? Or let's just put one of them on BigQuery for the moment. Let's just do that. I was kind of looking forward to not having costs, which is kind of the problem. Ooh, maybe they have a public data set already on... No, they don't. Okay. I thought they would have it on BigQuery already. Let's add a... I don't know. Let's add a new one here. Create table. From upload. Browse. Let's take the 7th of April. Local uploads are limited to 100. Oh, come on. As well? Fine. Oh my word. I think we had this problem once before where I had to go into cloud storage. Yeah, I've had this problem before because I can see there's other files here. Yeah, do it in Excel, of course.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Of course you can just do it in Excel. Of course. Okay, it's uploaded. Google Cloud Storage. Browse. Maddie Temp. CSV is just weirdly formatted Excel sheets. Ha! Excel even has count. Wow. You are all so smart, genuinely. Like I am shocked at how smart you all are. Backblaze test. Native table auto detect schema. And then I think we're gonna do one header row. I haven't even looked at the file. I should look at the file. I should look at the file, chat. Oh, I wanted to show you all this thing called Table Tool, where you can just boop. You can just drop in a CSV, and then you can look at it in a very nice format. Yeah, and you're all good looking, and every day with you is a blessing, and all that stuff. Exactly. So we have a date, serial number, a model, capacity in bytes, failure 0, I'll get to that in a second, data center, cluster ID, vault, pod slot, smart 1 raw, smart 2 normalized, smart 3 normalized, smart 5, blah, 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 blah. These are all normalized. Oh my word. What are these things? What are all these things? What does the raw data say? Documentation files. Definitely need to read that. What do those things mean? Oh, they have a create? No. What? Oh, look, they have a schema creation thing. Isn't that cool? Look at that. They provided the SQL schema in case you didn't have something that could automatically detect schemas. Because the normal database wouldn't, so like Postgres or something, wouldn't actually have the schema for you. You'd have to write it out, and they've provided the schema. That's really nice. That is very nice. How they compute a failure rate.
Why?
Oh.
Why?
Why is this guy so tiny? Bad Cop. Hello, Bad Cop. I'm not tiny. I'm just inside my profile picture sometimes. How you doing, Bad Cop? It's good to see you and hear from you. How about this, Bad Cop? How about we do a little shout out for you? Okay? How about that? Yeah?
Listen, ignore my face. If my face concerns you, just don't look at it, okay?
See?
You don't have to look at it.
You're asking other people to ignore your face. Why can't you just ignore mine?
Hi.
World's smallest face cam. Might be, actually. It might actually be. Oh, Bad Cop, do you know that we have ads now on this channel? Again? You know, as unaffiliate, I got rid of the ads, and now I actually have... You love ads. Really? Oh. Why? Really? That's very surprising to hear. Do you really love ads? Why do you love ads? Because I am immune. How are you immune to ads? Are you sure? Oh, secret turbo. So you don't get any ads at all?
Boy! Wake up! Zipper's spinning! Take a look at this!
They've left us a gift. That is so nice of them. I think we misjudged them. I love horses.
Me too.
We should open the gate.
Hang on. Let's see what Charlotte thinks. Charlotte!
At CrowdStrike, we monitor trillions of cyber events to detect threats and prevent breaches before they happen, to keep your business from becoming history. We stop cyber attacks. We stop breaches. We stop a lot of bad things from happening. CrowdStrike, protection that powers you.
Cool, so you didn't see that at all. That's amazing. I'm also glad that you didn't see the ad. Chat missed the joke. I know. Chat didn't get it, but it's okay. We're talking about hard drives today and how they compute failure rates. So yeah, they're dividing the failure rates and stuff like that. So it's very simple, actually, the way that they compute this. I actually need... I really like this visualization. I need this for something else. I need to make a note of this. I need to make a note. I need to make a note of this, because that is... There's a concept. If you ran baked-in ads while Twitch was running ads, that would be brilliant. Would it though? So the thing is, Bad Cop. I don't want to monetize Twitch anymore, which is why I went unaffiliated. But yeah, there's a concept that we are deeply familiar with in our business, which is the concept of new and returning users as a mobile app. And actually, we really struggle. Some people really struggle to understand what counts as new and what counts as returning. And this is actually a very nice visual. This is a very, very nice visual of how you can show that. So I need to use that as an example. Anyway, read me first. We should probably read this first, right? SQL scripts allow you to calculate annual failure rate. The new smart stat was added in Q4. Smart 18 normalized facing. Oh, change your starting directory. Okay. Oh, they're providing the whole tables and everything. Join the tables together and compute the annual failure rate. Drive years is computed by dividing the number of drive days by 365, and then the annual failure rate is simply the number of failures divided by the number of drive years. This is kind of cool. They're providing so much information. I like that. No one can ever complain that there isn't enough data to work with. Like if you're someone just starting out in data, or you're someone who's a bit junior, and you want to get experience by like analyzing a data set or something, and you don't know where to get the data sets from. Sorry, but like Backblade, this is a great example of this. See? There's no excuse. There's so many data sets, public ones. Okay, so the docs are useful. Q2 2024. But what do the smart columns actually mean? Did we find that out? A new smart stat was added after in Q... Oh, there's a typo in here. Was added in Q4. Smart 17 raw. What is a smart stat? Hard drive smart stat. Oh! Hard disk errors. Oh, look at that. Smart stats we use to predict hard drive failure. 5, 187, 188, 197, 198. Ah. Interesting. Okay, so this is a very important piece of information. Because that's important, I'm just going to put that straight into here. Okay. So chat, do you still use hard drives? Because in this data set, let me do that. Cannot create table. Oh, whoops. Crap, really? This is wrong bucket. Wrong bucket. Wrong bucket. I'm gonna have to do a massive CSV merge though. Definitely. Browse. EU. This one. Alright. One header row, create table. So we're gonna have to do a very, very, very big CSV merge to get like 8 years worth of hard drive stats. How long do you think they keep a hard drive for? That's one of the things I'm kind of curious. How long do they keep hard drives running? Any other chats? Yoshi! Hello! How nice to see you. Thank you for the follow. If you have any questions that you want answered, chat, then tell me. Tell me and we'll try and figure them out. You've seen this dataset before and you retained none of it? Really? Okay. Is it like an industry standard now or what? Alright, let's see. Did it import? It did, didn't it? Backlist test. Nice. Okay. BigQuery, refresh schema. How many times around the Earth have these hard drives spun based on their diameter? Oh my word. You know, I wasn't sure what to expect from a Maddie stream, but this sure is a very Maddie stream. This is pretty much... This is perfect. This is a perfect Maddie stream. MISC, backlist test. Forex, if you want to understand how women think, then you need to ask a woman how they think. How she thinks. Simple. It's not complicated. Rick, hello! Good to see you! How are you doing? Okay. So we have... Okay, so there's a model here. Can we tie models to manufacturers? Is that possible? Oh, wow. Okay, so most of them do have... Oh, some of these are SSDs. Oh, okay, some of these are SSDs, chat. It's fine. We're good. Okay, so basically, this is the kind of data we have access to. We have a very, very wide table. Very wide. We have a date of when the data was collected, a serial number of the drive, the hard drive itself, the capacity of the drive. The serial number is what identifies the drive uniquely, which is great. We have data centers, we have vault IDs, and we have pods. And we have all these smart criteria, which are null. If they're null, then they have no errors, is my understanding. Let's do a little query to see if we can query these. Where smart 5 normalized is not null. Let's add a limit 10 in here as well. Who's going to be in Munich on September 14th? I am actually not going to be there, Rick. The reason for that is very simple. I'm going to be elsewhere. I'm actually going to be going to Georgia. I'm actually going to Georgia as a speaker. Aha, that's right. So yeah, I will not be going to that. It's a little bit too much. The country, not the state. Thank you, Yost, for specifying the question. No. The country, not the state. And then I'm going to Copenhagen the week after that. And then, most importantly, our event in Zurich. Rick, are you coming to this? Is the question. Tbilisi, yes, exactly, Yoshi. On the 27th of September, Friday 27th of September, we are having our big event in Zurich. Analytics Camp Switzerland 2024. If you would like to do data stuff where there is no schedule, it is an unconference. Rick, it would be so great if you could join us in Zurich. Also, do spread the word, please, to many other people within your network. I would love to see more people there. We have plenty of space still, plenty of tickets still available. So that would be really great. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I just want Waffle House? What's Waffle House? Oh. Why did I expect something else? It's literally waffles. I don't know why I expected something else. Has anyone ever been to Georgia, the country, not the state? Yeah, I think that's anything but. It's tasty food. I don't know if it's good food. It's tasty food. Okay. What does this data actually look like? Oh, look. Okay. Normalized. Distinct Smart 5 normalized. Waffle House is the chief cultural export of GA, the state, not the country. Oh. Yost, what are you talking about? Oblong? Oblong and squishy? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh. What are these values? 252, 92, 77. This is so weird. Long and squishy. This is a family app. Yeah, I know it's a family app. Oh, I see. They normalized it into bins. Ah, I see. Because some hard drives have like 65,000 errors. So they binned them. Okay. They did some kind of binning. Normalization. Okay. That's cool. Alright, so we could basically say they've already done all the raw data selection for us, which is good. So we can actually go and say where Smart 5 normalized is not null. But what would be good is if we just ask for all 5 of these criterias together. And we could just do that by multiplying them. No, that's not going to work. No, we have to do them. We have to do them individually. So let's do that. Where 1 equals 1. We should perhaps talk about the actual presence of Zurich Analytics Camp on LinkedIn. When I search for it, I only get Measure Camp results. It's just called Analytics Camp Switzerland. So, but I know that LinkedIn search is a bit weird as well. No dig against LinkedIn. So Smart 5, 187. Because I'm not going to pretend to know about hard drives, chat, okay? 197, 198. So this would be like a test data set that we could explore and run a query on. And then once we're happy with our query design, then we could actually do that on the full data set. There's no way that I'm going to run the full data export and run a query on the full data export. Doesn't make any sense. But there's more than 10,000 hard drives in here. So the thing is that you cannot only, this is like the subset of drives that are likely to fail. Likely to fail. These are the drives that are likely to fail based on their criteria, but it doesn't mean that they have failed yet. But you also need to get the data for these drives when they weren't, when the errors didn't occur. Can we look for Bitcoin on the hard drives in this data set? I do not think that we can do that. The easiest way, by the way, to get to Analytics Camp Switzerland on LinkedIn is just to go down here on the bottom right. Just click that. Just click that, and then yeah. I think we actually need to do the boost. 6,500 impressions. That's not so bad. I have a bit of a cough chat. I'm gonna take a quick break, and we're gonna come back in a few minutes. I'll be right back. It's been
Garbage.
Woo! No, here, right? Woo!
Did I? No. I actually landed on 100. Chad. What just happened? No way. No way! Why is it me? Oh my.
You know where the like the video starts and it's like welcome to my channel, and I'm telling you all about my amazing setup today. Like it's just, I don't like, why does the video need to be turned up to 11? Like, is there a reason for that? I don't understand why it has to be. Wow. I'm not here to tell you how to consume the content. I'm just here to tell you that the content is good. It is delicious. It has been time warped. Much like my face has been time warped. Really? What? No! 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 Crap! I have 2 minutes! Oh no, chat! I can't believe Stuffy's done it! No! I can't believe it's happening! No!
I will attempt to explain recursion as a cute bunny. Let's try that, okay? So recursion as a concept means iterating through the same thing multiple times because it needs to understand. It needs to process more information. So, obviously, recursion as a concept, technically speaking, is not so straightforward. Do you think this is fake? Do you think this whole thing is fake? How dare you? You is fake! Good throwbacks, chat. And throwbacks are very important because, chat, the quiz is all about knowledge of the community. So if you remember, the more stream lore you remember.
I told you it wouldn't be allowed, Forex. I said it wouldn't be allowed. Block is going to be deleted as a feature except for DMs. Elon Musk cannot do this. The feature to block someone on the site is required as a social media app to be allowed on the App Store and Google Play Store. Well, technically, he can do it and be removed from the App Store and Google Play. Like, he could do it. Do this. Wait, I could get A buy it. I could get A to buy it and send it to me. Yeah. I could get A to buy it. Okay, someone clip this for me and send it to A so that when he wakes up in a few hours, he will automatically have it. We're gonna do that. Hello, chat, and welcome back. Whoop. Yeah, the LinkedIn search is horrible. It's even if you know what you're even if you know what you're looking for. It's atrocious. It's atrocious. I have like something stuck in my throat, chat. It's a bit annoying. Anyway, did A ever buy the privacy mask? No, it's very expensive. Maybe if he goes back, I don't know. Is A even live right now? Is A still streaming? Oh, he is. A is streaming. Let's shout out A.
It is. I don't know if you can see. Cuts.
Wow. Very nice shirt. Cuts! Yeah. A and I basically share viewers. Kind of. Because we have the same stream time and there's like a lot of... Yeah. I suggest you add the separated words Analytics Camp and Zurich to the info on the company page, perhaps in the subline. I'll be for like indexing. Interesting. That's a decent suggestion, Rick. Thank you. It's a decent suggestion. All right, chat. So my question has been, how long do they keep hard drives running for? Because technically, the first date and the final date of a hard drive is how long that hard drive exists. So what we need to do, we actually need to open VS Code. It won't find the page if you look for Analytics Camp Switzerland. Really? That's horrible. Is it really that bad? I can't believe it's that bad. Hold on, let's try something.
What's that smell? Failure.
I don't... Oh, of course I can't use it without a login. Right. Oh, Analytics Camp Switzerland separate. Okay. Map failure dates onto holidays and see if there are spikes, and compare failure rates to warranty expiration. Okay. Are you saying that more... Are you saying do more hard drives fail on holidays? Is that your question? Yeah, I know, Rick. I was just wondering what it's like on externally. I don't know how many people search on LinkedIn, so. Yost, your question is a bit weird. Like, how would I know what warranty expiration is? What is warranty expiration? Is that even a thing? There is warranty on this page somewhere. I can't see where it is. I don't know where it says it. Sounds counterintuitive, but if you want to argue with my brain, I can schedule some time. As in, a hard drive has an X-year warranty. Do they make them so they last just long enough to outlive the warranty? I don't know what the warranty period is. That's what my concern is. So I'm just reading this article, it's very interesting. Or if you have country data, compare hard drive lifespans to average temperatures. Oh, that's a nice one. Local climate, although they're technically climate controlled areas, right? Local climate of locations as a factor, contributing factor. So they have data centers. So if you do distinct data center, then you get all their data centers. SAC0, SAC2, PHX1, and AMS5. I'm guessing AMS is Amsterdam. There could be other local contributing factors, in theory, that we don't know about. Okay, it's time to merge the dataset because that's going to take a long time. Open folder. CSV merge splitter. Okay. So, open in Finder. Yeah, they're data center drives. Was that not, sorry, was that not clear? Maybe I didn't make that clear. These are all drive stats from how Backblaze runs their data centers. You need a teaser text for promoting Analytics Camp Switzerland on your LinkedIn profile, but my Swedish vodka won't let me get clever ideas. Chat, please help Rick promote. We need more tickets sold. Q2... Oh, these are all the blogs. Hard drive related, blah, 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 blah. Download the raw HD data. Okay. Oh, it's by quarter. This is gonna take a long time. This is gonna take a very long time. I mean, my download speeds are very good. I wish I could just download the whole dataset at once. That's a bit of a problem. Q4 2023. Okay. That was Q1. Q4. Q3. I'm also consuming fine craft beer while cooking. Ooh, delicious. Sounds tasty. What are you cooking up, Yost? See, everybody wants to know. This is a dead link. I don't think this one works. Q3 2022. I don't think it works. Just gonna put that there for a second. Fish cakes with rice, tomatoes, Japanese rice topper, and sweet chili sauce. Or maybe it's too many concurrent downloads? Maybe? This is gonna take a long time. Let's get to work. Okay, so Q2. Let's start unpacking that. And this. Is it done yet? That's what she said. Or he. You never know. Although the classic joke is she. Okay. Q1 is extracted. This one is extracted. Q2 2023. Let's extract that one. Let's do this one. This one. This one. Okay, it's like 1 gig per quarter. That's 4 gigs a year. How much space do I have? Oh, I got plenty. Yeah, I'm good. I got free. I'm fine. That's done. Q3 2022 is not done. Q3 2023 is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. So we have Q4 2023, Q4 2022, Q3 and 2024 should be here. Oh no, it hasn't been 2024 yet. We haven't gotten to that point yet. Okay. That's the docs. Separate that. Q4, Q4, Q3, Q3, Q2, 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 Q1, Q1, Q1. How many years worth of data do we have? All the way back to 2013. 12. It's going to be quite a lot of files. Alright. Let's make sure we can do it first. Okay, it's done. Okay, so we have, let's say that we have all of this data already, up to Q1 2022. Where is it? Q1 2022. That was the last one we downloaded. So now, go into the data folder here, and we'd have to copy all of these files from these subfolders. Let's see how long it takes for 1 quarter to do it. Okay. Let's see how long it takes for 1 quarter to run. What was this thing called again? Node merge CSV files single. You're going to be in Mainz on the 26th, and you will check to come directly to Zurich. Oh, nice. You used to live in Mainz, Joost? No way. That's so funny. This feels like it could take a while to process. This is just 1 quarter. Uh-oh. It threw an error. Error event on right stream. Why? That's not good. Okay, it's empty. Oh. Can we debug this a little bit? Unhandled error event. Invalid argument right. Emitted error event on right stream. Okay. Where is this? FS, create right stream. Is this maybe like an old dependency thing? Like I need to bump the version or something? I wonder. Maybe it's too many files? Never tried it with that many files. Okay, wait.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
No, there's no way that Excel can handle this amount of data volume. Telling you this now. Let's check if it's a volume thing. Let me do 1 month instead. Excel can handle anything. No, it has an error. Okay. There's an error regardless. That's not good though. Oh, I didn't want to have to fix my CSV merge thing. Maybe we should just ChatGPT it. What could this error mean in a Node.js application that runs locally to merge CSV files into one file? How the write operation is being handled.
Show me what you got.
Jim, you heard them. Said, show me what you got.
Show me what you got. I want
Kara! So, we could throw this into DuckTV. That was a very good episode, wasn't it, Dr. Padawan? Hi, Kara, by the way. So we could throw this into DuckTV. Also, I realized something, chat. It's not welcoming you anymore. It's not welcoming you into chat. Hold on. Why is it not doing that?
Garbage.
First chat, check. Check the user list. First chat, TTS. Sounds like a ducking great chance to learn something. Yeah. Clear list on. Let's try like this. First chat, check. Huh, I didn't... I saw it execute. I saw it trigger. But TTS isn't triggering? That's interesting. There's something up with this, chat. Someone write in chat who hasn't written in chat yet today. Before this, sorry. I can clear the list again. Hi, Loka. It's not a trap, but it's weird. Because it's triggering it, but it's not triggering audio. It's not triggering audio. It's not triggering audio at all, which is very concerning. Oh, I feel like audio is like completely just not working. Let's try something. Hold on. No. There is something wrong with Atom's audio driver. Because I noticed that it's also not playing the sound effects from ESO clip. So when I shout out someone, it should play this sound. But it's not. Okay, I'm just gonna restart it. Just gonna restart it again. In the meantime, so DuckTV, the thing is that as usual, we have the same problem as always, which is we have a metric ton of different CSV files. How are we going to merge these all together? Like, do you want to write like actual data pipelines for this? I don't want to do that. I don't feel like doing that, chat. At all. What would be your suggestion on this? What's your suggestion, chat? I already have a CSV merge thing, but it obviously has an error. And I don't know what the error exactly is. Did someone say Excel again?
This? It's Microsoft Excel.
Someone said Excel, didn't they? One of you said Excel, yeah. Power BI, no. We're doing this in raw SQL. Like we're not using any some. They are the same columns. They are the same columns. Hi, Rossum. They are the same columns, so we could, in theory, merge them. And then, oh, you know what we could do? We could use Sublime Text. We could use Sublime Text CSV merge. Because you can open multiple files and then merge them together. There's a package for this called Combiner. Combine a list of local remote CSS or JavaScript files into a single one with Sublime Text. Just strip off the header row and use cat. Yeah, I'm actually not really sure what the error is. It's on write. Something is happening on write. I don't really know what that is. Strip off the header. How do you strip the header from 180 CSV files? Run a CSV clean and then try and merge again. I don't know what that means. CSV clean? Okay, so Adam's audio is busted. Yeah, I need to report that. I need to report that. Why do I see the Claw team members on the left and the chat on the right within the stream? Rick, that is a very good question, you may ask yourself. The answer to that question is that you are currently within Twitch on Twitch. And there's nothing you can do to leave Twitch now. Yeah. These are my layouts now. Look, check it out. Watch this. We'll do a shout out for someone. For Chill. Rachel Chill. That's a clip that needs hygienes. I even have ad for turbo users. Exactly. I'm thinking of all of you. That's the point. I'm thinking of all of you. Isn't that nice? It's so nice. So the error. Let's see what the error is again. But we could try this. I'm open to trying this actually. When you run cat, is it from a folder in terminal? Yoast, is that how that works? Discover packages. No, I don't want to discover a package. I want to enable a package called Combiner. No. Install a package. List packages. Combiner. Sorry, why is this not working? Package control. Add. How do I add a package? Kara, I just simply don't know how to get 180 CSV files into DuckDB in one table. That's the answer. I don't know how to do that. It's a shell command. I mean, ideally you want something with that will stream and not need to do this all in memory. They have an import thing, but this package could also work if I can combine all of them into Sublime, but then I think that is a stream thing. Install package combiner. Okay. Combiner. This seems like it could work. Combiner. Place the following combiner declaration in any file. This is interesting. I gotta try this. This might be useful. You want to directly import it into DuckDB, you'll have to quack. Really? I don't want to do that. Let's do a little test here. Let me create a folder. Temp test. Okay. Copy path name. Okay. Output is going to be test merged. Save this as test. Save as combiner. Now, how does this work? From read CSV. What's the total file size? Yeah, it's a problem. So, if you want to know, the total file size is 1 gig per quarter, roughly. I mean, it was 100 megs, 600, 700, 1500, 16, 1700 megs. And then, I mean, it's several gigs for sure. It's probably around 10 or 12 gigs, I'm guessing. It's around 12 gigs, I would say. So I don't know. Combine a list of local remote into a single one. Now I can minify. Place the following combiner declaration. in any file. There's no information about this. Someone else suggested cat. But you all are also forgetting, I don't have DuckDB installed on my computer. I want you to know that. I don't have DuckDB on my machine. And I don't plan on installing DuckDB on my machine. So even... it would have to be... I mean, yeah, but then I don't want a local DB. That's the thing. I don't really want a local database. Although technically with a local database, I could then take all the CSVs and drop them as one gigantic table. In theory. Okay, I am open to... let's try this. Okay. So you're all saying it's this. Hold on. But it's a double chevron. Okay. How do I know if it worked? Why is it not, like... I mean, from a size point of view, yes. 3 times 72 is 216. This is not efficient, though. Just FYI. Not efficient. But, like, is this meant to, like, just be paused? What's happening here? Is the file repeatedly watch it grow? It's already done. Oh, it's 1.7 gigs. Oh my word. This is not good. This will never stop, will it? This looks like it'll never stop. Or is it literally taking that long? This is way too long for 3 files. There's like 180 files. ls list shell command other window. Okay, 96.99. Wow. Rawsome, that is a very good score. Very good score. But this is not going to work for this volume of data. There's no way. How do I exit this thing? How do I exit cat? Oh no. How do I get out of this? Okay. So it's already 3 gigs. The original 3 files were 72 megabytes. I would say this is a big failure. Like, you cannot create a 4 gigabyte file from 3 files that were originally 72 megabytes. That is not going to work for this approach. That's definitely not going to work. That's way too large. Was it reading itself? Oh, because it's also a CSV. Ah. We have to specify a different folder for the CSV. LOL. Wait, okay. How do we specify a different location for the output? 1 second. Wait, how do we specify? How do I go one thing upwards? CSV recursion. This is literally recursion. This was literally recursion right now. // would be 1 level up, right? That would put it in here. Let's find out. Yeah, combine output. 1.5. Let's see how long it takes for 3. Let's see how long it takes for 3. Because maybe I'll just let it run overnight or something. It's done. 218. Oh, that's better. 72 times 3 is 216. So that's much better. This is basically a straight copy. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, let's time it, chat. We have to time it. We have to time it. So I'm gonna put 1/4 in here. What just happened? Oh! Erwin! Thank you very much for the follow. I'm gonna put 1/4's worth of data in here. And then we're gonna time it. Oh, if you prefix the command with time. Really? So if I just do time, like this. I'm not sure. I don't know if I need the pipe. We didn't validate it though. We actually didn't validate if it was removing rows or something. Like if it was just removing the headers. Time pipe? Time pipe. Time pipe. Okay. Let's find out. It says 0. It says 0, chat. Why is it saying 0? Command line go burr indeed, Alan. No pipe. Oh, it's no pipe. Okay. It's no pipe, chat. We're not supposed to have a pipe. Not supposed to have a pipe, chat. Alan, how are you doing? I like Time Pipe, but the next 3 sequels were really just milking the franchise. So it'll display the time as an output afterwards. Also, hi Faffin! Very good to see you. We're combining CSV files again. We're back at that place. Yeah, it's not like I wrote something that does this exact thing, but whatever. That's kind of a problem. I'm doing alright, yeah. Good music and stuff today, because Pretzel has decided to bless us with drum and bass again. Which is really cool, actually, because you know, Pretzel's playlists, they rotate all the time. So you know.
Have a banana. They're delicious.
Yeah. Pretzel's playlists always like rotate, so you never know what you're gonna get. Yeah. Forcing Maddie to overcome his fear of running a local database without Docker. Why is this taking so long, Chad? This is 1/4. Oh, it's already 2 gigs. FYI, sometimes when you have pipes in a command that you're running time on, it freaks things out. In what way? Like, what happens? What happens? Uh-oh. Like, not in a good way? Time/size feels about right. Okay, it's 1/4's worth of data. Did we do 2022? I forget now. 72 times 90. 90 times, let's say 75. 750 megabytes. So it should be about, oh, it's like 6 gigs per quarter. I was way off on the estimate, chat. Redirecting some output to a file is a great way to find out you have unexpected behaviors far slower than you'd have otherwise caught it. I mean, no, it's not 180 quarters. No. It's, well, how many years? 2024 to 2013. Although 2013 to 2015 are very small. They're 1 gig total. 72 hours CSV stream. There's also a T command that would let you see the output that's making the CSV, but it would slow things down even more. I actually don't know, like, what's the computer doing? What's it even doing? I mean, my CPU's temperature is fine. It's not even really sweating. Nothing's happening. It's pretty... It's literally a CSV stream, yeah. I can just leave this up for the rest of the evening, chat. We're good. Have a good night, chat. Have a good one. Take care. I'll just leave the camera here so that you can watch the desk instead of just a black screen, you know. So basically we are analyzing hard drive stats. And Backblaze provides us with quarterly data exports. So we have to figure out how to combine them. Now, oh, here we go. It has a time for us.
What?
217 seconds.
What?
3.6 minutes. 3.6 minutes, chat, per quarter. So 3 times 4, 12 minutes. 12 minutes a year. Gosh, that's gonna take forever. I mean, 2016 to 2024 is 8. 8 times 12 is 96. Oh my word. That is far too slow, chat. Way too slow. Way too slow. Okay, we have to figure this out. So, okay, in case anyone's wondering, okay, I have a CSV merge thing. I have a CSV merge tool, okay, just in case you're wondering. I have a CSV merge tool, however, I'm getting an error. I've never gotten this error before. The last time I used it, it was fine. And it's telling me that I have a unhandled einval, invalid argument on write. So I don't know. This was much faster last time. Much faster. So I'm not really sure how to solve this issue because I don't know what einval means. I really don't remember. I really just don't know. Chat, are you old? Are you old, chat? Sounds like you're a bit old. You doing alright, chat? Sounds like you're a bit old. Invalid just means invalid or something. But like... I mean, I didn't change anything about this mechanism, and it worked for every single CSV I've ever thrown at it. Why would it suddenly not work for these? You know? Like, why... Node events 492. It's only at the end of the output. No, we tried less files too. It didn't change anything. Let me just do 3. I can just do 3 if you want, but it doesn't change anything. Oh. What? It's a number of files problem? Wait, really? Huh. Huh. Oh, no, I didn't want to do this in Sublime. Sorry. Table tool. We may have found the issue. It's the number of files. So it's a memory problem. 620,000 rows. 620,000, chat. Remember that? Nice, Cypher. Nice find there. 620,000. Hold on. 206,954. Oh, I have my pen now. What? There we go. 206,954. This one is... Hold on, here we go. 206,903. And this... Oh! Chat! I'm trying to take notes.
Why?
206 948. Okay, someone do the quick math on that. I'm gonna check the big one. Merge data.csv. Error already exists. 620 805. Is that correct? May I ask, the shell command from before, it writes the disk between every loop? No, it's streaming. It's streaming. No, it doesn't have to be about right. It has to be exactly correct. Fine, I'll do it myself. Oh my gosh, chat. 206,954 plus 206,908. 3 plus 206,948 is 628,05.
Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
But it didn't remove any headers then. It didn't remove the headers, if that's the case. Silly question that I probably missed, but why are you combining the CSVs instead of putting the data in a database? I am putting it in a database, but it is much harder to import 180 separate files than one. That's the problem. It should have normally removed the header. Are we really sure about the size of the second one? I'm not so confident. 206,903.
Why?
Oh wait, it's rows. Of course, that's number of rows. No, that's number of rows. That's correct. No, it's correct. It worked. We did it, chat. We're good. We did it. Congratulations. We did it. Now the question is to figure out what is the maximum number of files we can do at once. Because 31 days didn't work. Why should that be a bigger problem than combining them? But I would have to install DuckDB locally, combine them, then output the CSV from DuckDB and import it into BigQuery. In theory, we could do that. You want to do this in DuckDB? Wait, we have to do math. We have to do math. Let's do half a month. I want to see if this works. Merge data. Get rid of that. Then restart your stream after DuckDB claims all of your RAM. Okay, so that works. 15 files work. $15 files works. Why didn't it work with more? Although month by month is going to be very slow. Month by month is going to be super slow, chat. Isn't it? I think it's going to be really slow. Month by month would probably be just... I mean, I have to do it 12 times. And then times 8. I'm doing it like 100 times. Ah, so there's something maybe in this file even. Could it be just one file causing a problem? That could be a thing. Come on. Let's try again. The resistance to just brew installing DuckDB is so weird to me. It's like you don't even need the dopamine. No, okay, so it's not that file specifically. It's probably like a memory thing of some kind.
Why?
It's probably a memory thing.
Why?
Okay, so I have come to the conclusion that chat is spitting truth. Fine, chat, you obviously know things. You know things. Chat knows things. Fine. My CSV merge tool doesn't do any checking. It just removes the header. What the heck is this? I don't want people in my... Yeah, I want it in BigQuery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the easy way. I'm gonna get rid of this data because we don't need it anymore. Clever chat. So I am going to brew install DuckDB because you are also smart. Throw the CSVs into GCS and make the table. I thought of that, but it might take... Wait, wait, hold on. Can you specify multiple? Can you specify multiple? Can you do that? Is it a wildcard query? Because that would work. Hold on. Can you actually do that? Cloud storage. Oh, URI pattern. Oh, you can. Kara, where were you like 2 hours ago? Is the reason you don't want to do individual CSV to BigQuery is because you have to do some kind of manual thing? Yeah. So basically it's like this. If you want to query a table, and each of those tables is 1 day, then you will need to query 180 tables in your SQL. It's dumb. It's just dumb. It doesn't make any sense to do that. No one doing data analysis wants 180 tables of joins. Not all tools support wildcard table suffix, Rick. That's a very important point. I mean, Padawan obviously wants to do stuff like that. But okay, we've just discovered a hack. BigQuery does, yes. But it still means that we have to upload them. So we're gonna do it via cloud storage. That's fun. I didn't know we could do that. We're gonna make a little folder here. Upload folder. Create a folder. Backblaze. We have to download the rest of the data, chat. We only went to Q1 2022. We have to go get 2021 and further. 2021, here we go. 2021. While this is going, we're gonna set up everything else. Okay, so that's Q1 2021. I don't know why they don't offer this as 1 year exports. Why don't they do that? You know? Folder 2 final V2. CSV kit. Chat, I have a new favorite emote. Button mash. Oh, take care, Fafin. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. Aruga. I have a new favorite emote. I love button mash. It's my favorite. I love it. No, not the clown. Thank you so much. You know what? I'm just gonna blot out those. Then I don't have to look at this stupid clown crap anymore. There we go. I'll just delete them. Bop Bop is also cool. It's true. Bop Bop is also not bad. Take care, Fafin. Anyway, so blurring out the clowns will lead to more clowns. That's very unfortunate. Okay, so there's a concurrency thing with downloads, chat. There's a concurrency limit. What's the last one we clicked? I don't remember. Q2 2020. Q1 2020. A duck? What do we need a duck for? Q1 2020. Okay, so we can go to 2019. 2019 Q4, 2019 Q3, 2019 Q2, 2019 Q1. Who's the data from? They don't have a repo, as far as I understand. This is where they provide the data from, Yoast. It would be nice. Find type F name CSV XARGs. I don't know what that means. What is that, Rugmat? Cat final CSV. Find. $2019. We're almost there, chat. We're almost there. 2018. Q4, 2018 Q3, Q2, Q1. I'm just gonna do like this. Q1. There we go. Okay. That's gonna download in its own time. A command to put all the CSVs into one file. Yeah, but we don't need to do that anymore, Rugmat. That's the beauty. We don't need to do it anymore. I remembered because Kara reminded me that you can do wildcard queries for cloud storage. I'm not going to run anything with RMRF in it. Don't worry. No one in chat should run that either, by the way. Okay. Let's start unzipping stuff. How many unzips can we do at once? Chat. How many unzips do you think we can do at once? A lot? One unzip. One per thread. I have 16 threads. So we could technically do 16 unzips at once. One per pants. One per pants! What? That is an absurdly low rate of unzip. It's terrible. One per RAID SSD. Although I get the pants joke. Unzipping your pants. It's funny. It's funny. It's a good joke, chat. It's a good joke. Zip bomb. Finish my Swedish vodka. Gonna read my French book. Take care, Rick. Thank you very much for posting. I will interact with it shortly. When dad drops a pee off his plate. Oh dear, I've peed on the table.
What's that smell? Failure.
Yeah. Utter failure. See you soon, Rick. It's still doing it. It's going back all the way. We're going back in time, chat. What would be nice... So, Rugmat, can you run something to get... No, we can't do it that way, can we? I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't know how we're gonna do this, chat. I need to get all the CSVs that are nested within this directory. Also have to check my space. Oh wow, it's eating space. Still 70 gigs though. I think we're okay. I think we're still okay. Okay, it's finishing the downloads. 2015, 2014, 2013. Okay. Let's run the unzips. Ugh. How's my computer doing? I accidentally put the content of 2,000 pages on my site to each page on the site. It ate 500 gigs of space. Oh wow, that is a lot of space. And my computer's doing good. Good computer. Very good computer. Okay, it's going. It's unzipping. So we have... This is done. 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 Still going. These are not done. Still going. This one's done. This one's done. Oh, keeps skipping. That one's done. This one's not. This one's not. This one's not. This one's done. I did a password brute force proof of concept and wrote to disk. Oh dear. That sounds like a lot of data. Okay, we skipped one here. It's not good. This one's done. This one's done. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try and do... Oh, come on. So find... I need to find within terminal so I can drag... No, within macOS so I can find... So I can drag the files. Because if I do upload files here, right? I have to be able to find all the CSVs within this folder. That's the thing. It's an interesting problem. It's one that I've never had before. Okay, we're gonna do all these at once this time. Only 6 characters. It's doing pretty well though. Nothing's crashed. Do you have the cloud command line tools? Might be a quick way. I have an off. No. I don't think I even have them installed right now. I had them installed on my old machine. I'm not sure I've installed them. I mean, there's probably a way in Finder to do it. macOS Finder, show CSV in directory and subdirectories. List view. Maybe with list view, I might be able to do it. So the thing is, these are all in nested folders, right? These are all in nested folders, so we have to find a way, instead of opening up all of these folders individually, there's absolutely a command you can run to get things out of nested folders. The find command I sent will move all the CSVs out of the nested folders and put them into the main directory. Ah, okay. Good, okay. Then we'll do that. We're gonna do that. Once all of this stuff is done. 13, 14, 15 is done. 16 is done. 17 is done. 18 is done. I think it's the last one. 19 is done. 20 is done. We're done, chat. It's all extracted. Give me a second. I'm going to put all of these into a new folder to make it a bit easier. Backblaze. Alright. Put those in there. Okay. I'm going to empty my recycle bin quick because there's a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. So now... So we're in Backblaze. And now we will do a find command. Let's see your find command. Find type. No, that's a merge. This one. Find. Find type F name CSV MV. Oh, cool. First, make sure none of the files are named the same thing. They won't be. They won't be. They're all named by date. There's one file per day. Okay, chat, here we go. This may crash my stream, so let's try it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can BigQuery load from zip, but it's very weird, Yoast. It also uses a lot of processing power that I don't really feel like paying for. Did it work? It's doing it. It's doing it. I think it did it. It's done. We're done. Oh, chat. Chat. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. How many files is it? That's the question. Upload files. Backblaze. Kind. Yeah, I'll delete the folders afterwards. 600 files! 800 files! Oh my word, Chad. 1,000 files. 1,200 files. Wow, find is really good. 1,400 files. Oh no. I'm totally gonna have to delete this after merging the into one table, because I'm gonna pay for both cloud storage and BigQuery storage. I don't want to do that. They are per day, so how many days is it going to be? Actually, uploading to cloud storage is pretty cheap. It's totally fine. 2,100 files. $2,300. Well, basically, it's since 2013 up until mid-2024. So 2013, 2023 minus 2013 is 10 years. 10 years times days is 3,650 plus half a year. 3,650 plus 180. 3,830 it should be. Oh no. Did it crash? No! Did it crash? It's blank. Oh no. I never thought that would be an issue. Oh. Okay. Claude thinks unzipping wouldn't be expensive, and between ingestion time and storage says it's less than $1 for 10 gigs. But how do you do the BigQuery table from a zip? Hold on. Google Cloud Storage. Select a file from a bucket. How do you... I don't even know how to do that. I've never done that before. I know it's possible, but I've never done it. BigQuery... external table... zip? Create a table definition file. Create a file with URLs, one per line. Use gsutil to copy files directly to GCS. Oh, for the CLI. Yeah, I would have to auth for that. I would have to do the whole auth stuff. Kind of a pain. Wait, hold on. Can I do something else? Hold on, wait. I have a better idea. These folders are now empty. There's nothing in it, right? If these folders are empty, then I can just upload the entire folder. I don't need to do this. Why am I wasting time with this? Just delete that. Upload folder. Backblaze. Upload 4,101 files. Interesting. There's more than one per day? I mean... Yeah, I don't know. I mean, will it do it is the question. It seems like it's thinking about it, but I'm not sure that that's... maybe gcloud util is the best way to go with this. Alright, let's install gcloud utilities after this. After a short break. I'll see if it did anything yet. It probably didn't do anything. Oh, it did. It did too. Great. Alright. I think we're just gonna do it via... Just gonna do it via gcloud. Alright, chat, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back in a couple minutes. I'm just gonna get something to drink, and then yeah, we're gonna do it with gcloud utilities. I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah. So much for short, easy stuff. Yeah. Be back in a minute. It doesn't know time because I didn't include it here. I'm confused. I'm confused. How come... What angle is this? I don't even know. Oh! It's a really long... What? There's a float. Because I have melon testers right here. I'm sorry, chat. I should not have made that joke. I should not have made that joke. I should not.
Do you know what I'm realizing? Doing this guest stream with you, I wonder if it's the bunny suit or not, but it's so much more tiring than doing my own streams.
What?
What is that?
Is it? So much
yeah,
more.
I am.
But you're just sitting there. I mean.
I am pooped.
Wow. Well, we're gonna take a break again in a couple of minutes, so it's fine. Or maybe I just stream for longer. Up. You know? Maybe I just stream for longer. You know?
Nah, maybe it's just so boring.
Roasted! We are going to have a section dedicated to the stream recap by none other than Zach Bussey, who is an incredible creator who always has his pulse on what is going on in the content creation space, not only Twitch, but also other platforms. And these recaps allow you to stay up to date on what's going on. Was there something there? Oh, jeez! You are such trolls. You know that? You are so bad. Oh. Freaking clowns, man. And woman. Why does it always have to be clowns? Oh, who dropped the X? Oh my gosh, Rugmat. You savage. Look at it spin. Look at it go. This is amazing. It's a shame there's no sound though. We definitely broke it again. I'm proud of you, chat. I'm proud. Did someone clip it last time? If no one clipped it last time, definitely clip it this time. I should definitely send it to InstaFluff because it's broken. Or to Maya. Probably InstaFluff because he's the one who's gonna fix it. Wrong scene. You're on the wrong scene. Change scene now. Baldur's Gate 3 on a Intel Mac M1. It should and stream. You simply just cannot do that. It will not render the for someone to write in her chat, you know? Like what's the point in that? I'm just rewarding someone who drops everything. I'm just rewarding someone who drops everything and, you know. Oh, Kara again! 9166. What I want to say is this. Thank you for the follow, John the Home. I may have adjusted something by mistake. I think I broke it. Seems like it's not possible to stream to LinkedIn so easily. Because LinkedIn is a Microsoft product. No, that's not the reason, but that might be part of it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 1954. Taking me way back. Oh my gosh. Way back to 1954. I told you streaming to corporate Facebook is a bad idea. Zero is the answer. Thank you for the good vibes, though. I appreciate it. Control, how are you doing today? How much I've made? So, T. Drayson, I could have that. I could provide that, I guess. Wait, I have a question. How much I've made? I don't think I can have that here. Because this is A4 is so fast. Ooh, yeah. Check it out. How fast is A4?
Así fue un developer con experiencia tanto trabajando de forma independiente como en equipos, lo que me ha permitido desarrollar habilidades en autogestión y colaboración orientada a resultados gracias a mi trayectoria en diseño. Aplico un enfoque centrado en un serio, teniendo en cuenta aspectos fundamentales en cada proyecto. Me esfuerzo por producir un código limpio y optimizado, asegurándome de que cada solución sea funcional, fácil y mantenerme en el futuro.
This is... What? Is this even a language? Isn't that wild? You can open a window on a fruit. I already have it. It's perfect. Apology video by well-known data streamer after caught secretly using right joins. It's perfect. I'm gonna pin this for a second. I need to use it afterwards. This is in a nutshell. You've got structure. This is basically the nutshell. Oh, this was my explanation. This is basically the nutshell. This is the nutshell, chat. Welcome in Dev Panda. Good to see you again. Alright, let's install G-Cloud utilities. Brew install G-Cloud. What? Oh, come on. Brew install cask Google Cloud SDK. Uh-oh. Updating homebrew. Should have started that before. I should have started this before I went on break. Gnome brew is my preference, but Dwarf brew is okay. I start my morning every day with brew upgrade. Yeah, I just as I'm not like a classic developer, so I don't really spend a lot of time doing these things, you know, at all. Oh. Installing cask. Okay, here we go. It's casking. So, then, upload files to Google Cloud Storage STK. Upload objects from a file system. Command line gcloud storage cp. Object location. It's taking a long time. By the way, I have it on good authority. Trash wants her tagline updated to virile working woman. Okay. Good authority. Trash needs to come into my stream or message me on Discord directly. Also, massive shout out to Trash Puppy for being extremely successful.
And I need a mow. Watch at the very end. Huh? She's like, where is she?
So yeah, very, very incredible journey. Yeah, but see, the thing is, I know the good authority was her, but she's not here to say whether she actually told you that or not. So you could just be saying that. In theory. Now we're delineating the difference between authority and authorization. Yes. Just because you have permission doesn't mean you have... What was it? There's a quote about that. Okay, it's done. Great. Okay, so we do gcloud init. I think it's gcloud init. In order to get it up and running? Yeah. Diagnostics, blah, blah, blah. Network is fine. I will sign in, yes. Okay, I am going to hide my screen completely from you. Because you never know. Continue. Allow. Please enter a numeric choice. I would like to use this project. Default compute region and zone. Yes. Default compute region is Europe West. Crap, which is Europe West? Which one was Zurich again? Europe West 6? Was it 6? Did not print 72 options. Enter list at prompt. Here we go. Europe West. 6A. Okay, we're done. We're ready. We're ready. G-Cloud. Oh, I have to back up one level. Okay. G-Cloud storage CP object location local path to your object, which will be /backblaze. Is it the reference from my current directory to it, or the reference from anywhere on my system to it? I don't know how that works. And then GS destination bucket name. Maddie temp EU, I think is the one. Claude was totally hallucinating. You can't actually upload to a bucket from remote URL. This is the thing with AI stuff. Like, when you regurgitate it, if you don't actually check it, you don't know if it's really possible or not. So it's nice that you're checking it also. The following URLs match no files. Oh, okay. I probably have to give this reference differently. Backblaze. Copy path name. So let's try like this. Omitting file Backblaze because it is a container and recursion is not enabled. Object location. I have zero idea how to transferable bash to G-Cloud, otherwise I'd chime in. Naming considerations. Control characters. Wildcard operations. Google HTML commands interpret these characters as wildcards, so including them in object names can make it difficult or impossible to do wildcard operations. Here we go. Match 0 or more characters within the current directory level. So, if we do backblaze /star.csv. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking, chat. There we go. It's going. So 100 and 200 files done. Anyone want to guess how long this is going to take? Yeah, good shout on the command line, chat. Definitely. Very good call on the command line. So it's 3,000 files. Is stream okay? Stream doing okay? Did I add at -m? No. What would I add -m? Is stream struggling? Really? Is it? No. Is it really? I never thought that would actually be a concern. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is actually kind of funny though. I never thought that.
Michael? What are the odds?
It's kind of funny. Well, this is interesting. I see it's still uploading and struggling for the stream yet. I'm looking for something in my files. Give me 1 second. I'm not sure if I still have it. Oh yeah, I do have it.
I put my faith in data, information. Ones and zeros never lie.
Huh. Oh, I mean, you can hear me, but obviously it's very stuttery. Because, well, it is a lot of data. It is a lot of data. Now I just need to have a little toggle here so I can turn that on and off. 1 second. Where did that go? Uh-oh. My audio isn't stuttering, just the video. Ah, yeah. So I'm reducing the load. So this is the thing, chat. There's less bits to change now. There's less bits to change because the image is static. So there's less less upload required in theory. See Twitch UI. What is this called? Tech difficulties. Yeah. So now I have a little command for it, which is good. So basically, we're at 1600 files. You're Bezos' chosen one. Oh.
Jeff Bezos, the
Richest man in the world. Yeah, so
Garbage.
I didn't expect this to take this long. Rugmat, why? Why?
I'll just read the chat. Read the chat and wrap it up. But just read the chat and wrap it up.
Why?
Because it uses more internet. I don't need to stress test my internet.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Rugmat excels at causing issues. Actually, it probably doesn't if those are locally hosted. They are locally hosted, but it changes the number of frames that are changing within the video, which means the encoder needs to do more. Am I out of space? Why would I be out of space? No. Why would I be out of space? 65 gigs. Free. That's quite a lot. I have to reply to this briefly. Because I'm telling Atem that they messed up the sound stuff. I totally forgot what data it was. Yeah, so it's hard drive data. I think I have a cloud transfer job set up, but the dog might need to go outside. Okay, so Dust has a suggestion for the Atem issue, by the way. On the chat rule. First chat TTS clear list. Okay. To check something. First chat TTS. Change this output to external headphones. Need to pause the music 1 second. Nothing. Default streaming aggregate. Save. Clear the list. Today.
What's that smell?
Failure.
Nothing.
Why? 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 Why?
Hey Maddie.
Why?
While we wait, do you know why justice is best served cold? Why is justice best served cold, Alan? I'm very curious about your answer to this. Will it be funny? Will it be surprising? Will it be shocking? Because otherwise it would be just warm.
And Secretary Cardona and Mayor Bowser and Chancellor Fairby, you know, thank you for joining us as well. And for families across the country.
Justice is best served cold because otherwise it would be just warm. Justice, just ice. Oh my gosh. That took me a solid 30 seconds, Alan, to understand. I think it was a little bit too late.
What's that smell?
Failure.
You're not going to know if your hard drive is going to fail today. I don't know. I mean, maybe. Maybe not. We're currently at 2,392 files. It's pretty intense. It's kind of cool. Ooh, Bad Cop is online? I feel like we should raid. Should we raid, chat? Maybe we should raid out. This is gonna take so long. Feels a bit mean to keep you all here, watching files upload. You can start working with the data you have. Oh, that's a good point, Alan. Alan, that's a very good point. It's a dynamic, thing. So it's just going to keep adding files. Oh, I didn't put it in the folder. Oh no. I didn't put it in the folder on the bucket. Shit. Oh no.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel inside.
No, it's not. It's a horrible reason for insisting on Intel. With any luck, when I'm back inside, my cloud transfer job is done. Maybe I can share my bucket. By the time you finish sharing the bucket and we've figured out sharing permissions across Google Cloud project instances, it'll be uploaded. That much is definitely clear. Oh no. I need to filter. It's not the only thing in the bucket, that's the problem. I need to remove the other stuff in the bucket. There wasn't much there. There wasn't much there, but now I'm kind of wondering, can I sort it? Chmod 777 bucket. If only it were that simple. Last modified. Filter. Last. Ah. In theory, it should be at the end. That's actually, that's a fun t-shirt idea, Yost. It's a fun t-shirt idea. Chat, I'm hungry. Even though I had dinner. I've suddenly just gotten so hungry. I think it's subliminal messaging from Finite's burger ad. 2651, 2652. Come on, I can get there. There we go. Merge data and stream captions. Those I have to delete. Can you list the contents of the bucket with the command line tools? Yes. Chat, I'm going to ship to Dreamland. Goodbye, Dr. Padawan. We'll be in touch over the weekend, I assume, about our little project. I'm very excited for that. Yeah, I'm very excited for that. It will have a lot of implications for how that game gets played. It's going to make a big difference, yeah. Definitely. Oh, also, I meant
5 days.
Panther World is a Twitch chat-based multi-user dungeon style game.
5 streams.
Yeah, there's items. You need to see you all like relentlessly typing.
5 hours.
It's about collecting items and seeing if you can achieve some kind of unique angle.
5 YOLO deploys.
My first recipe spoiled!
This is Panther World Hack Week. I cooked. The game doesn't stop when the stream ends.
So if we do star.csv, this is going to be one giant table. Auto detect. No partitioning. I feel like I would like to partition, but we cannot. One header row. Is that how to do it? Let's find out. Failed to create table. Oh, of course. Of course. They added new columns. They added new columns. Chat, this is no way. It's not gonna happen. Oh, chat, they added new columns in one of the exports. Yeah, I'm sorry, chat. This is not gonna work. I'm so sorry, chat. We're gonna have to call it on this one. Yeah, we really just don't. We have no way. We have no way. Yeah, rip indeed. But this just shows how difficult data ingestion can be. Let's go raid Bad Cop. Who else added columns in the 1930s? It was the no, it's not the Romans. It's too late for the Romans. Thank you, Erwin, Yoshi, Fairy Mod.
What is this?
Oh, interesting.
It's Microsoft Excel.
Amen. Ro, thank you very much for those follows. Next time in Excel. No pandas, no Excel, pure SQL as always. Let's raid Bash. Sorry, Bad Cop, who does so much stuff. Check the third column from the right. Yeah, it's going to be from a certain date they added columns. So what I'm going to need to do is create the schema based on all of the columns being present in all of the files for those years. I'm gonna have to make two. I'm gonna have to make basically two. I'm gonna have to do the wildcard filter that way. Yeah. But yeah, we'll see each other on Monday for the Data Cafe yet again. More news, more things to talk about. Really weird things happening in the data space. See you all on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for sticking around for uploading stuff. And have a good time. Yeah, enjoy yourselves.